Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. I've just arrived in Looe and it's gone past 11:30 and you can actually see the beautiful row of houses on the cliffs. There they are, beautiful row of houses, and there you can see boats resting on water. And I'm just entering the Looe town now, so you can see the pathway. Well, it's a road actually. It's taking me up towards the main Looe centre. It's a must-visit site if you're coming alone or with family or friends. It's absolutely pleasant weather today. A little bit cloudy, but the shops are here, as you can see. As you walk up, you come to shops. There's an amusement centre here as well, and as you can see, there's a row of houses and guest houses and hotels situated above the cliffs. It's a beautiful sight. If you're standing where I am, you tend to get a very good view. So I wanted to show you the part of Looe, the Looe